Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you how to make Amla pickle or Indian gooseberry pickle. This is one of the superfoods. It has lot of medicinal properties. It increases our immunity and it has a lot of vitamin C, and it can solve our eye problems, hair issues and digestive issues. We can also preserve it by using the making the pickle. So let's see how to make the Amla pickle. These fresh Indian gooseberries we purchased from Indian store. Later I wash them with the water and then wipe and dry with a fresh towel. And when they are dry, make a small slit on the four sides so that the flavors can be absorbed to inside. We are going to fry the amla in the oil. This is the amla. You can see the slits here after chopping. We don't need to fry for a long time. It just takes a couple of minutes to fry them. Once these amlas are fried in oil, keep them separately. I measured the quantity of the amla. They are 3 cups of amla. For the flavor, I am just frying 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds and fry until they become spluttered. After cool down, we need to blend them to make a fine powder. I took 1 cup of tamarind and I soaked in hot water and blended the mixie, and then I am going to fry this one in the oil. We need to fry this paste in the oil until the oil comes out so that there is no moisture left out in the mixture. I measured this amla. There are 3 cups of amla. For 3 cups of amla, I am taking 1 cup of chili powder, 3/4 cup of salt, and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds, and 1 cup of tamarind paste. I took 3/4 cup of salt and 1 cup of chili powder, and after grinding it becomes 2 tablespoons of mustard seed powder. The tamarind paste is ready. I am going to add the paste into this salt and chili powder. I am just checking whether it is more or less. So it looks like more. And then I am adding the amla here. I measured them before. It is like 3 cups. For 3 cups of amla, I added 1 cup of chili powder. Add the oil to mix the amla and the salt and chili powder. I use the same oil where I fry the amla. We just need to add that much oil that is sufficient to mix and little bit more extra, and then mix it nicely. Yummy amla pickle is ready to serve with hot rice. It is so tasty with hot rice. But serve it after 2-3 days because the amla will get all the flavors. Thank you for watching.